Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay by Venmo in 2025. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money using their mobile devices. To get started with Venmo, you need to download the Venmo app and create an account. The first step is to sign up for a Venmo account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to link a funding source to your Venmo account, such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Once you have set up your account, you can start making payments. To pay someone using Venmo, open the app and tap on the Pay button. Enter the recipient's username, phone number, or email address, and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to the payment to describe what the payment is for. After you have entered the payment details, review them to make sure everything is correct. You can then choose your funding source and confirm the payment. The recipient will receive a notification when the payment is sent, and they can transfer the funds to their bank account or leave them in their Venmo account. It is also important to note that Venmo offers a number of security features to protect your transactions, including encryption and two-factor authentication. When using Venmo, make sure to keep your account information and password secure to prevent unauthorized access. In conclusion, paying by Venmo is a simple and convenient process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can use Venmo to send and receive money with confidence. Remember to always review your payment details carefully before confirming a transaction, and keep your account information secure to ensure a safe and successful payment experience.